Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I am your presenter and host Muhammad Iqbal, and you are watching my YouTube channel Biographies. Madonna, 16 August 1958, is an American singer, actress, dancer, and movie star. She has sold over 300 million records worldwide, making her the best selling female artist of all time. Madonna, often referred to as the Queen of Pop, has had a profound influence on music culture. She has pursued an independent approach to her career, writing most of her songs and consistently redefining her image for pushing the boundaries of taste and behavior. She has often courted controversy for upsetting religious and moral sensibilities. Madonna, born Lucy Kenny on 16 August 1958, was brought up in Rochester Hills, Michigan. Her mother died of breast cancer when she was only 5. She was then brought up by her grandparents. Madonna was raised a Roman Catholic tau from an early age. She displayed a rebellious streak in 1978. She dropped out of college and moved to New York with very limited resources. She got a job as a waitress at Dunkin' Donuts and in her spare time learned modern dance. She temporarily joined a rock band, the Breakfast Club, and then tried to make a solo career. Her early attempts at singing gained a favorable impression with Sear Records, and she was given her first recording contract. I went to New York. I had a dream. I wanted to be a big star. I don't know anybody. I wanted to dance. I wanted to sing. I wanted to do all those things. I wanted to make people happy. I wanted to be famous. I wanted everybody to love me. I wanted to be a star. I worked really hard and my dream came true. In 1982, she released her first single Everybody, and in 1983, she launched her first album Madonna. It sold very well, but it was her next album, Like a Virgin, which made her into an international superstar. The album sold over 12 million copies, helped by the hit single Like a Virgin, which stayed at number 1 for 6 weeks. Other hit records included Papa, Don't Preach, Like a Prayer, Walk, Take a Bow, Frozen Music, and 4 Minutes. Madonna stated that Marilyn Monroe has been an influence on her career. The video for hit single Material Girl was a tribute to Monroe's performance in the film Gentlemen Prefer Blondeness. I loved Carol Lambert and Judy Holliday and Marilyn Monroe. They were all incredible funny, and I saw myself in them, my girlishness, my knowingness, and my innocence. As well as being a successful music recording artist, Madonna was very influential in influencing fashion and attitudes to life. Her trademark looks included fashionist stocking, a Christian cross, bleached hair, and capri skirts. Her early music videos shown on MTV were influential in cultivating the image of Madonna in popular culture. I think that life is a paradox, and you have to embrace that in your work and your belief system. You can't be a literalist, and that's the trouble that people always find themselves in. That's why people always hit a wall with any of my stuff, because you can't take it literally. Throughout her career, Madonna has courted controversy for her mix of sexuality and religious imagery. Her attitudes sparked criticism from the Vatican, and the church discouraged people from attending her concerts because of the ritualism. Madonna remained unapologetic and continued to perform her routines. A lot of people are just really confused by me. They don't know what to think of me. So they try to compartmentalize me or diminish me. Maybe they just feel unsafe. But anytime you have an overtly emotional or irrational negative reaction to something, you are fearing something that it's bringing up in you. Madonna, after forming her own company, Madonna produced a book titled Sex. It featured nude photography and was quite controversial, especially in the USA, but it sold over half a million copies. Madonna has acted in a couple of films without much commercial success, though her appearance in Evita 1996, about Eva Perón, the famous Argentinian wife of the president, received good reviews for her role in Navita. She received Golden Globe Award for Best Actress. She has now produced over 10 albums and remains a very influential artist, still capable of hitting the top of the album charts according to Billboard magazine. She is second only to the Beatles in terms of all the best-selling artists. In recent years, her music has evolved to include new style. Her album True Blue 1986 incorporated aspect of classical music. In Music 2000 and American Life 2003, she experimented with folk and acoustic music. She produced and writes her own music and has never conformed to a narrow vision of recording companies. I pay attention to what's going on around me. I'm always looking for new energy, new talent, new voices. When you do that, I think it's easier to come up with fresh ideas. It's not that my career has been based on surprising people, but it's been about challenging myself to consistently do new things that are going to broaden my own mind and in the process hopefully connect with other people. Her early Catholic roots influenced her music and videos, but in the early 1990s she embraced Kabbalah, a Jewish mystical sect. In 2004, she adopted the Kabbalah name Easter, which in Persian means star, talking about the meaning of Kabbalah, that consciousness is everything and that all things begin with the thought that we are responsible for our own fate. We reap what we sow, we get what we give, we pull in what we put out. I know these things for sure. Madonna marriage and children. Madonna married Sean Penn in 1985 but divorced 4 years later in 1989. She remarried Guy Ritchie in 2000 and divorced in 2008.